iOS 15 has launched along with a lot of great new privacy features for your iPhone. So what new privacy features have launched? Well, I'm going to talk to you about two of them today that you should enable on your iPhone now and explain a bit about what they are. The first is mail privacy protection. So that is a way to protect your emails from being tracked by marketers. You might not know that marketers can actually gain information from you when they send you an email, such as your IP address and whether you opened that email or not, whether you click through to their website. Apple's mail privacy protection actually stops that from happening, which is great and very useful. It will come up when you actually go into your mail on iOS 15 once you have actually downloaded the update for your iPhone. But you can also get into it on your settings. If you go to Settings, Mail, and Mail Privacy Protection, and make sure you turn that on, and that will stop the marketers from tracking you. Another great addition in iOS 15 is the App Privacy Report. The App Privacy Report helps show you which permissions apps are accessing and when they're accessing them. So it could be your camera, for example, or it could be your microphone. So these permissions might be granted, they might be useful for that app and they might be needed, but have a look and see how often they're being accessed, which you can see in a 7-day report. So the way you enable this is you go into your settings, your privacy settings, so go into privacy, scroll right down to the bottom of that and you can see record app activity. So you can actually turn on record app activity and you'll get the 7-day report of the permissions that the apps are accessing on there, which is a great addition for your privacy.